In industrial environments, not all defects necessarily imply that a part should be rejected. In many cases, acceptance criteria are defined based on parameters such as the size, shape, or a number of defects present. To apply these criteria reliably, it's not enough to simply know whether a defect exists. It's essential to measure it accurately. And this is where techniques like object detection fall short. For this type of inspection, we need more advanced methods such as semantic segmentation, which allows us to analyze defects at the pixel level.
And since examples are the best way to understand things, today we're going to talk about a client who manufactures decorative acrylic panels, where any surface stain on the raw material can ruin the result. The client needed a solution that could accurately measure the size, quantity, and distribution of these blemishes on acrylic sheets in order to automatically decide whether a panel met their quality standards. The logic to be applied, according to the client's criteria, was to allow stains with a surface area smaller than 5 square millimeters to pass, which is considered acceptable, but with the limitation that if there was a significant concentration of stains of that size, it would already be considered a defect. To do this, we applied the technique of semantic segmentation, which, unlike object detection, where we detected a defect with a bounding box, creates a precise mask that measures the actual area of each stain, counts them, and also analyzes their distribution. This way, we evaluate the quality of each panel in real time, directly on the production line. One of the main challenges was achieving reliable segmentation on surfaces with a uniform color, where the contrast between the stain and the background can be very subtle. It was also necessary to calibrate the system to convert the segmented pixels into real physical units, that is, square millimeters, ensuring precise measurement. Thanks to this solution, we can now carry out automated, precise, and objective inspection of these sheets, maintaining quality without affecting the production pace. The system is flexible, scalable, and adaptable to different acceptance criteria according to the client's standards, which allows us to guarantee traceability and product quality in a very reliable way.